today's video. Now, last time I did Pokemon cards, or was it Yoyo cards? But they were posted at around the same time. Anyways, after that, now we're doing another Yoyo card video. Yoyo fans, don't think that I'm more leaning to Pokemon more and more. Don't worry, okay? Anyways, this is strawberry. Bought it from Tesco. And yeah, should we open it? Yeah. Oh yeah, and my name is Raivik and welcome to my video. I think I already said that, but just in case I didn't. Look what happened again. It's these ones again, you know? These ones. Okay. In that case, wait. Let's just open them up. I got this Manti calculation. Manti calculation. Now I got this. Him playing rugby and him doing Oz. And next spot. The first one's, I saw the back. It's him. It's Mr. Octopus doing the. Yeah, this is the card I did not get in the original one last year, you know, and I finally got it. Yay! I completed a whole set, except this one doesn't have the name printed on and it doesn't have the right back, but I guess it still counts, right? So I'm really happy about it. Yay! I look like I'm serious, but in my hand, yeah. Anyways, next is kayaking. Kayaking. Whee! Oh, and at the back is this. I wonder what that's supposed to do. I think this will be a shorter video. Not a YouTube short. That's less than 60 seconds. And I don't think that will be like that. Okay, next is judo. And yeah, these two. Did I get any at all? Okay, this is an interesting match. Look, him standing on a chessboard while playing basketball with one hand. I wonder what happened to the other. Let's try it like that. Oh wait, no, that won't work. Yeah, the costume's different. Okay, it might work for this one though. Okay. He's playing basketball while hula hooping. That's called multitasking. Okay, let's go on to the monkey ones. Hey, monkey is literally putting his head up with a bird looking at him on a bike. Okay. That definitely is not sus. Yeah, so it's a shock to see these coming back. After all, the Yoyo cards bounced back, and now this bounced back. So yeah, that was quite shocking. But the happiest card is this. I didn't get this in the original to get in this. It's a dream come true. Ooh. Well, I still don't know why he's stepping on a boat. That's very bad manners. Also, it looks like his face is carved. I don't know if you can see that though. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of the video. I told you this was gonna be a short one. And see you in the next video. Bye.